kids, today we are going to begin learning Unit 10. Open your book on page 86. New sounds. Listen, point, and repeat. A plus to at. Next, A plus P up. Next, A plus Next, A plus D odd. Now on the bottom part of page 86, match and write. Number 1, N plus at is not. Number 2, C plus up is cup. Number 3, G plus is gum. Number 4, M plus odd is mud. On page 87, say and write the words. N-U-T, not. Again, N-U-T, not. Number 2, C-U-T, cut. Again, C-U-T, cut. Number 3, C-U-P, cup. Again, C-U-P, cup. Next, number 4, G-U-M, gum. Again, G-U-M, gum. Next, number 5, M-U-D, mud. Again, M-U-D, mud.